Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. First step, let's go to text and write open and click selection tool, move to center. Okay, select this wall texture. Let's move to inside this neon composition and press S, change scale. Okay, and hide this text layer. Then right mouse new and solid, black color, and add name light, dark. Click OK. Then go to mask, select this ellipse tool and make circle mask and click this inverted. Open mask 1, change mask feather. Okay, and mask expands. Then select this solid, press T and change opacity. Okay, again select this solid, press M, open mask 1, change feather. Okay, nice. Then select this wall, go to effect presets and search effect white saturation. Select this white saturation and let's use for this wall and change master lightness. Okay, nice. So let's create again new solid, add name saber, click OK, go to effects, video copilot and saber. Saber is free plugin from video copilot. You can download official website. So let's open here and change core type text layer and select text layer none to open text. Okay, change glow 20, nice, and change preset neon. Okay, again change glow intensity 20 or 30. Okay, let's go to render settings and change composition settings alpha channel. Select this. Okay, nice. And select this wall, move to master lightness to left for dark background. And again let's create new solid, select color this pink and change name pink light, click OK, go to ellipse tool, make circle mask. Okay, and select this pink light, press T, change opacity and press M, open mask 1, change feather. Okay, and move to back this like dark. Okay, let's click selection tool and move to here this text and change mask like this. Again select pink light, press T, change opacity 20. Okay, then again let's create new solid, add name saber line, click OK, go to mask tools, select this rounded rectangle tool and let's make one mask. Okay, and select this saber line, go to effect, again video copilot, saber and open here, select core type layer mask. Okay, and go to render settings, again change composition settings alpha channel. Okay, and go to presets, select neon. Okay, change glow intensity 35. Nice, not bad. Select this saber line, move to here, okay, and let's make a little animation for this line. Open here and end offset, change 0, make new end offset keyframe, go to here, change 100. Select this saber line, press U for see keyframes. Let's see. Okay, change quality quarter. So nice. In this time, make start offset keyframe. Again, press U for see new keyframes. Go to here and change start offset 100. Let's see. Nice. Let's select this keyframe, move to right. Okay, select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ascent, and easy ease, or for shortcut you can use F9. Okay, let's see. Nice. So in this time, select this saber line, Ctrl D for duplicate, and go to glove color, change color blue, and click OK. Then select this saber line, change name blue, and move to right. Let's see. Okay. Nice. In this time, in first second, press N for select work area, loop animation. So select this saber layer and let's make little animation for this open text layer. We can change glow intensity like this. Make keyframe for glow intensity. Press U for see keyframes. Go to one keyframe, change glow 10. Again go to one keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, this is not bad. And select these keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V. Again go to some keyframes, Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. Okay, not bad. I like it. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.